Let's face it, cleaning is one of those tasks that always seems to get pushed to the back burner, especially for busy individuals or families. But what if I told you there's a way to get your bathroom sparkling clean in just a fraction of the time? It's called speed cleaning, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to save time and energy. We've all been there staring at a mess of a bathroom, feeling overwhelmed and unsure of where to even start. You put off cleaning until the last minute, only to spend hours scrubbing away at stubborn stains and dirt. And even then, it still doesn't look as clean as you want it to. You're not alone, trust me. Bathroom cleaning is one of the most daunting tasks out there. From soap scum to toilet grime, it's easy to feel like your bathroom is a lost cause. And don't even get me started on the shower, that's a whole different level of gross. But despite the initial discomfort, getting your bathroom clean is essential for both hygiene and peace of mind. The struggle is real, folks. And it's not just about finding the time to clean, either. It's about knowing where to start, what products to use, and how to get the job done efficiently. That's why today, I'm going to share with you my top tips and tricks for speed cleaning your bathroom in no time. First things first, let's talk surfaces. You'll want to grab a microfiber cloth and a multi-surface cleaner, trust me, it's a lifesaver. Wipe down all surfaces, including the sink, faucet, and countertops. Don't forget about the toilet handle and surrounding areas, either germs love to hang out here. Next up, it's time to tackle the toilet. I know, it's the worst part. But with the right technique, it can be a breeze. Use a toilet brush to scrub the inside of the bowl, then follow up with a disinfectant spray and a quick wipe down with your microfiber cloth. Moving on to the shower, things can get a little trickier. But don't worry, I've got you covered. For a quick scrub, grab a shower scrubber and some baking soda. This combo will help break down any tough stains or soap scum. Just be sure to rinse everything thoroughly to avoid any soap residue. Finally, let's talk mirrors and windows. A simple glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth or paper towel will do the trick here. Just remember to wipe in a circular motion to avoid streaks. So, what's the secret to cutting down cleaning time significantly? For me, it's all about having the right tools and using them efficiently. Take multi-surface cleaners, for example. These bad boys can tackle everything from countertops to sinks to toilets, saving you time and energy in the long run. And when it comes to order of operations, I always say clean from top to bottom. This way, any dirt or grime that falls will land on surfaces you haven't cleaned yet, making the process way more efficient. But here's the thing, speed cleaning isn't just about getting the job done fast. It's about doing it right, too. By following these simple steps, you'll be left with a bathroom that not only looks great, but also feels clean and hygienic.